I HÅG så har vi jobbet tett med eksterne designere I alle år, men I Essence-projektet så bestemte vi oss for å ta det ett skritt lenger.
Vi såg efter designbyråer som kunde komplettera vårt egna designteam och som kunde tvinga oss lite ut ur komfortzonen.
I think Oscar's really good at coming up with lots of ideas, and his brain is quite quick, so he can really quickly move from one idea to the next without being too restricted. And I think that's a really valuable asset.
Yeah, I think, thank you. And I would say one of Amy's attributes, which is not my strength at all, is that you're able to be very free early on in the process and not be hampered by how we're going to make this, which materials, is this even possible? Can we turn it upside down? Can we hang it from the ceiling? We kind of fulfill each other and end up as a more, sounds cliche, but as a more complete designer in a way, no?
Designerne som vi har involvert har vært med fra et veldig tidlig stadium. Så de har fått lov til å bringe med sitt perspektiv inn I alt fra strategi til estetikk og hele veien I prosjektet.
I think it's a very new process for us. We've been 3 agencies collaborating along with HÅG, which is very much the 4th.
That's a really interesting way of working because, I mean, as a designer you have to take everything in, all the information surrounding a topic and then rationalize it and make sense of it. And I think that is just better when you have more brains.
Your deliverables are always questioned, and there's local expertise and there's other studios, and everyone's constantly kind of evaluating your work or questioning it, and it keeps you on your toes, definitely. Yeah, I think one of the key factors that we've noticed working with HÅG is the inclusion and the openness.
Maybe the idea is to give us all the insights, all the knowledge they have, and make everything available to us in order for us to rationalize everything and inject that into the final product. It's been a new way of working for us, and I think that's going to be something that we bring with us in the future as well.
It's at the point now where all the loose ends are coming together, and we're super excited to see, touch and sit in the finished product.